Alright, so we got Clappy in the hot seat of the garage today, and we're going to be replacing some lights. So Mitch has some old AC halogen lights. They're shitty, no one likes them, but yet everyone has them. So we're going to actually get rid of these pieces. Thanks to Vivid Lumen, we'll be setting this thing up with some really bright LEDs. So I'll be putting a link in the bio, and you guys will be able to see where to go get those. So let's get on to actually putting these things in. Alright, so there's 2 screws on our stock halogen lights there. One right there.
One over there.
So you just undo that and you can easily just pop it out. So super simple. We got both of them out, so we'll throw those in the garbage and we'll get some LEDs in. Right, so you can see with my new upgraded LED headlights, I used the factory headlight holders there. I just had to cut them and modify them. I am going to add a couple more things in just to make them a little bit more stronger. And then I spliced both the light bars together and then ran them into a switch that goes up into here. So I ran them into a 3-way switch, and I'll show you that in a second. So that's the front. Yes, you can see that there's some bar on it. Now, you don't have to run this bar on this here, but I put it on because they're actually holding the lights in place because the lights are just a little bit too small for my holes, which is fine because this looks pretty sweet. But with the 3-way switch, I can either turn on the eye itself or just the 2 little white guys on the outside. So I'll show you that in a second here. All right, so that's just the eyes. And as you can see, those are bright. So that's really sweet. And then I'll throw on the other units. And there's the other units. So those are also really sweet. They don't get taken up, or they don't, the bar isn't in the way of any of the light. It shines, and then he's also got his cube up here. So in the nighttime, Mitch should have plenty of lights on his mower here. So thanks to Vivid Lumen here, we can get this done and have some awesome headlights. So rock on, get your milk, and let's go mowing.